My dad started the business back in the 70s. We've been established for so long. The employees I have, I don't think I have a single employee that is less than 5 years. So I think that's what kind of sets us apart from everybody else.
I've been at Altman's for 7 years. The best part about my job is really just coming to work. I'm surrounded by a great team. I am surrounded by great leaders. I think that we all just make the company tick. It's a great thing to see because it's really teamwork.
When I was 18, I came to Altman's, and I've been here ever since, a little over 20 years. I mean, I have customers that I've known for the 20 years I've been here that I've installed systems for when I first met them. I bought my house from a customer. I met my wife on a service call. This place has given me more in life than I think anything else in my life has given me. It's really about coming out of the day feeling great and making sure you did a good job for everybody.
Really proud of what they've accomplished. And now we got another bunch of Altmans going along. It works out great, you know.
With Pops and the legacy that he started, you can see that things have changed. But I think the foundation of Altman's is always going to be the same because I think that they stand by the traditions that their dad started.
Very proud to see his kids, to know that they've been provided a good life, that he taught us something that we could provide for our family, and now 3 generations. Now my son's providing for his family, so I can't even imagine how he must feel.
Hi, my name is Teresa T. here at Altman's Cooling and Heating. I see the next generation at work every day in our business.